26-foot moving truck covered in baby shampoo and oil, and we are about to send it down a very steep hill. Let's go!
In general, it's just a horrible idea. Terrible.
What's up, bitches? My name is Adrian, and this is what happens when the Kooks does the U-Haul slip and slide.
I hate this. We're about to send it down a very steep hill. Let's go! Fuck my eyes! Stop! I can't see! Dude, that was Stop the truck! I did a full-on flip! Dude, that was scary!
Rare change.
This is Jolie, Justin's sister, and she just surprised him for his birthday.
Yes!
Can everyone come out? Is it the car or? Oh, like that. The fuck is that? What the He's so sketched out. Oh my gosh. Good.
Surprise?
Welcome. You guys might recognize these two girls.
Might. Oh, hell no. How did you get us across the border with blindfolds on? This is what I say. Yeah, well that's easy, fine. What sound does he even want to make? No.
When we were in Arizona, we picked up some fireworks. Now, there's no gunpowder in this one, we took it all out, but there's still a fuse, and no one else besides Justin knows that.
You have a surprise?
Yeah, I have a surprise.
I don't know if I like this.
I want everyone to close their eyes.
What the fuck?
Take off his blindfold.
Yo! Wait, he has nothing to lose. It's just gonna. His hands! Firework! What do you his whole life? Nothing to lose. Your life has value.
Figured they wouldn't put an actual firework in my hand.
Well, I thought it was. That's nice to think of that. I don't know why he was really calm. I would have cried. I would have just been like starting praying or something.
She brought it closer to her face. Today is Justin's birthday, so we called up a fortune teller off Craigslist to see how his 24th year would go.
His iron is low. That is a fact. And he's really tight because at the bottom, he has a pretty face, honey. But I'm a very nice person. The whole town likes me. Next year, I'm gonna start traveling the world. I haven't seen Michelle for. Yeah, we hook up on Sunday, so. I'm behind. They can't take their eyes off my skin, my hair.
Sexy and I'm curvy. Also, I'm a doctor, but not a doctor, a pharmacologist. Pharmacologist, I'll have my degree, and I'm also gonna rule the world.
I think she's the one. It's breaking history right here. First channel ever to hit 1,000 subscribers.
Whoa! No, I'm just kidding.
Alive too, Justin.
I'm Asian, and they're not.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
And I'm gonna give them some weird Asian snacks that I had growing up as a kid. Okay.
Wait, why is it moving?
It's like a cake, like a foam cake.
Are you guys' eyes just closed?
Yeah.
Mine are closed still.
Yeah, ours are close too.
If you're Asian, you most likely know what this is.
Oh, it's durian!
Yellow.
Alright.
What was that? Come on, man.
Definitely.
Childhood staple.
Is it a cat?
It tastes like fish food. No, it's a testicle for sure.
Oh my! It looks like eel peen.
I don't want to give it to them without them knowing.
You couldn't pay me.
I'll do it.
Actually?
Yeah.
This trip has been purely created for the sheer pleasure of pain. Oh!
5 morning.
Feels like a fireball.
Good line dancing song called Fireball.
Fireball.
We're heading to the beach. We're taking the kayak. I'm doing a little roll call with the boys. Chris?
Hey.
Adrian? Justin? It's pretty roomy actually here.
Crispy chicken strips and a large water.
Jack spicy chicken sandwich combo with curly fries? Yeah. Dude.
The water. If I don't make it home, tell my parole officer I love him.
Holy shit, the waves just got really big out of nowhere. Oh my. Paddling in, I heard Adrian go, oh man!
You were pearl and a clam.
Basically, we're concluding that I'm the fat guy out there. I heard some names called beached whale, oompa loompa.
Oh, I can't reach. Oh, here, I got something. What the heck? We are headed into the derby, a horse derby. We're all dressed up in our little fashion outfits, and we're all gonna bet on a horse. I have no idea what I bet on. Guys.
El Diablo!
Gypsy Tears? Man-child!
Own idea.
Nation, baby.
Doo-wop Don.
All right, we all picked our individual horses. We're gonna see who gets last place. The goal is to win, of course, but the goal is just not to be last place.
El Diablo!
The race is about to start. Nation's gonna win it though.
Doo-wop Don's gonna bring it home, baby.
Hey, what are the odds?
They're off.
Oh God, I'm in last. Wait, no, I'm not. Oh, dude, mine's in dead last. Nation, what are you doing?
And Child on the inside.
Man-child! Jump! Man-child!
Man-child, who turns for home with a 2-length lead.
He's coming back! He's coming back!
We're gonna come back! We're gonna come back! Man-child trying to hold off Nation. Man-child, Nation. Nation. Man-child, Nation. Man-child.
Let's go! My man-child! You came from last to first.
I don't care. My horse is turning into glue and my family's not eating dinner tonight, man. This is shambles and I hate horse racing. No, this is good. Liver's good for you, man.
Yeah, you can. It's just hungry, dude.
I'm really hungry. Is there more of that?